Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 screen flickering. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Adapter, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart SYST. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Click Advanced Display. Click Display Adapter Properties for display, click Monitor, change screen refresh rate. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Change to recommended scale. Select display resolution 1:1, select best one. Sixth method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset this PC, click Keep My Files. Click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.